Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between the rolling hills, lived a little girl named Lily. Every autumn, she loved to visit the local pumpkin patch with her parents. One year, she spotted a huge pumpkin, bigger than any she had ever seen. "Oh, look at that big pumpkin!" Lily exclaimed, pointing at the giant squash. "I want to pick it." "But, Lily," her father said softly, "you know we can't carry such a big pumpkin home." Lily pondered, her eyes still on the massive pumpkin. She wanted that pumpkin, but she knew her father was right. She needed to find a way to carry it home. Determined, Lily decided to ask the farmer if she could have the pumpkin. She approached the farmer, who smiled kindly at the young girl. "Excuse me, sir, may I please have that big pumpkin?" Lily asked shyly. The farmer looked at the pumpkin, then at Lily. "I'm sorry, dear, but that pumpkin is too heavy for a little girl to carry." Disappointed, Lily walked back home, her thoughts filled with the big pumpkin. She wondered if she would ever find a way to pick it. That night, Lily dreamt of the pumpkin. In her dream, she saw a cart that could carry the giant squash. As she woke up, an idea formed in her mind. The next day, Lily returned to the pumpkin patch and asked the farmer if she could use a cart. The farmer agreed, and Lily carefully wheeled the cart to the big pumpkin. With a little effort, she managed to push the cart under the pumpkin, and with a big heave, she rolled it onto the cart. With a triumphant smile, she was able to wheel the big pumpkin home. Lily learned that with determination and a little creativity, she could achieve her goals. She also learned that sometimes, things may seem impossible, but with a positive attitude and a little help, anything is possible. From that day forward, every autumn, Lily visited the pumpkin patch, not just to pick a pumpkin, but to remember the lesson she learned. With determination and creativity, you can overcome any challenge.